When it comes to choosing a dock for your waterfront property, you have two primary options: a stationary dock or a floating dock. Each has its merits, but one offers distinct advantages depending on your needs. Stationary docks are built on fixed supports, typically anchored into the lakebed or riverbed. This design gives them a solid, permanent feel, making them a popular choice for areas with consistent water levels. However, the pilings, which are driven deeply into the seabed or lakebed, need to be installed using specialized equipment. This ensures the dock is stable, secure, and compliant with local regulations. Floating docks, on the other hand, offer a more flexible solution. They're designed to rise and fall with the water level, maintaining a consistent freeboard. Freeboard is the distance between the waterline and the dock surface. This means no matter how much the water level changes, your dock will always be at the perfect height for easy access. Installation of a floating dock is simpler and often less expensive than a stationary dock. Because they don't require the heavy anchoring and complex installation of pilings, floating docks can be quickly set up and easily moved or reconfigured to suit your changing needs. Floating docks are also better suited for varying water conditions. Whether your location experiences waves, boat wakes, or fluctuating tides, a floating dock will adjust smoothly, offering a safer and more stable platform. And when it comes to maintenance, floating docks require less effort. With durable, buoyant materials that resist the wear and tear of water exposure, your dock will stand the test of time with minimal upkeep. You'll spend less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying your waterfront. So whether you're looking for convenience, flexibility, or a dock that adapts to any water condition, a floating dock is the superior choice. While stationary docks require professional equipment and more maintenance, floating docks offer a hassle-free, adaptable solution that works with nature, not against it. Aquamax, made by boaters for boaters.